how to fix if NFC is not working on Moto G77. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, go to App Library, scroll down and click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down, you will see second option is Connected Devices. Click on Connected Devices and click on Connection Preference. After click on Connection Preference, click on NFC. After click on NFC, if you want to fix this problem, enable NFC button. After enable NFC, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, restart device. Just click and hold side power button and volume up button and restart device from here. After restart device, you will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, click on Settings app and search Software Update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, again click on Settings app, scroll down and click on System. After click on System, click on Reset option and click on Reset All Settings. After click on Reset All Settings, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix if NFC is not working on Moto G77. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.